Are you looking for a way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to create passive income with XRP, one of the most exciting cryptocurrencies in the market. But first, if you're serious about investing in XRP and want to learn more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications to get more videos like this. Before we jump into our top 10 XRP passive income strategies, it is important to understand what XRP is and what it does. XRP is a cryptocurrency that was created by Ripple Labs in 2012. It is also referred to as Ripple, although Ripple is actually the name of the company that created XRP. XRP is unique among cryptocurrencies because it is designed for use by financial institutions and payment providers as a means of facilitating cross-border payments. XRP works by using a decentralized blockchain technology to facilitate instant, secure, and low-cost international money transfers. This is accomplished through a unique consensus mechanism known as the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger is a decentralized network of computers that work together to validate transactions and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. Transactions on the XRP ledger can be settled in just a few seconds, making it a very efficient and fast payment solution. There are several reasons why you might consider investing in XRP. One of the most compelling reasons is that it has a very strong use case in the financial industry. Ripple Labs has partnered with over 300 financial institutions, including banks and payment providers, to use XRP for cross-border payments. This means that there is already a significant demand for XRP, and this demand is likely to increase as more institutions begin to adopt it. Another reason to consider investing in XRP is that it has a relatively low price compared to other cryptocurrencies. This means that you can potentially buy a large amount of XRP for a relatively small investment, which can lead to significant returns if the price of XRP increases. Finally, XRP can be used to earn passive income through a process known as staking. Staking involves holding your XRP in a special wallet that participates in the consensus process of the XRP ledger. By doing this, you can earn rewards in the form of additional XRP for helping to maintain the integrity of the network. Overall, XRP is a cryptocurrency that is designed for use in the financial industry and has a strong use case as a means of facilitating cross-border payments. Investing in XRP can potentially lead to significant returns, and staking can provide a way to earn passive income. However, like all investments, it is important to do your own research and understand the risks before investing in XRP. The first step in creating passive income with XRP is to actually buy some XRP. You can purchase XRP from many different exchanges, such as Uphold, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp. Simply create an account on one of these exchanges, deposit some money, and buy XRP. Make sure you do your research and choose an exchange that is trustworthy and has a good reputation. Once you have bought some XRP, you need to store it in a wallet. There are different types of wallets available, such as hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are the most secure, but they can be expensive. Software wallets are free, but they are less secure. Paper wallets are the most basic type of wallet, but they are also the least secure. Choose a wallet that suits your needs and preferences. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income with XRP is through lending. There are several platforms available that allow you to lend your XRP to other users and earn interest on your holdings. Some of the top XRP lending platforms include Celsius, BlockFi, and Nexo. These platforms offer competitive interest rates and are a great way to earn passive income. Another way to earn passive income with XRP is through staking. Staking is a process where you hold XRP in a wallet and help to secure the network by validating transactions. In exchange for your contribution, you earn rewards in the form of XRP. Some of the top XRP staking platforms include Binance, Bitrue, and Kraken. Participating in a liquidity pool is another way to earn passive income with XRP. By lending your XRP to market makers who use it to facilitate trades and earn fees, you can earn a share of those fees as passive income. Crypto lending platforms also allow you to earn interest by lending your XRP to other users who need it. The interest rates vary depending on the platform, but they can be an excellent source of passive income. Investing in XRP-focused funds is another strategy for creating passive income with XRP. These funds invest in XRP and other cryptocurrencies and provide returns to investors. You can also use your XRP holdings as collateral to borrow other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies. This strategy allows you to earn passive income from the interest you pay on the loan. XRP trading involves buying and selling the cryptocurrency to earn profits. Trading XRP requires a bit more skill and knowledge than some of the other strategies, but it can be an effective way to earn passive income with XRP. Finally, you can become an XRP validator. Validators help secure the XRP network by verifying transactions and are rewarded with XRP for doing so. Now that you know some of the top strategies for creating passive income with XRP, it's time to take action. But don't wait too long. The cryptocurrency market moves quickly, and opportunities can disappear just as fast as they appear. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and this is for educational purposes, so you will need to research and select the strategies that align with your goals and risk tolerance. With the right approach, you can start earning passive income with XRP today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description below to learn more about investing in XRP.